Okay, this is fucking sick. You can use Codex to teach you how to play piano. So basically, what I have going right here is I've got Codex on the left. The basics of what I did were basically just said, hey, I'm going to plug my piano into my computer. Can you make a little app to show me what I'm playing? And now it shows me whatever I'm playing. I can see which keys I'm pressing, and then it just like tells me what they are. And the cool thing about that is I can finally like understand the music theory behind what I'm doing instead of just like playing it blindly, and that helps me be a better piano player. It's so fucking cool. And I think the reason it's cool is when I learned to play piano, I learned from this guy, this like incredibly cool jazz musician that I had like no business at all learning from. I was the worst possible student ever because, you know, in order to like, be a jazz pianist or learn any instrument, you have to do like endless scales. You have to go. And I just like didn't want to do that. Now that I'm an adult, I just like fuck around on piano and guitar and a couple other things just because like I think it's really fun. Like it's music is the best. And what I love about this moment is that there, like any song I want to play, there is a YouTube video. So for example, I love this song "Older" by Lizzie McAlpine. Like, it's sick. It's so fun to play on the piano. I love listening to it. And literally, the pianist on this song is this guy named Taylor McCall. He just has a video on Lizzie McAlpine's channel where he just like goes through it and teaches it to you. The most amazing part of it is, okay, I can take any song, I can maybe learn it from YouTube, but I still don't really know, like, you know, there's this part of the song that I love, like, like it's at this little flourish like right at the very end of the song, and I'm so excited and happy that I can play it, but I don't really know like what he's doing or why I like it, and so that makes it kind of hard to do more of it. Like if I just wanted to noodle around and like have more of those little moments in a song, that would be hard. But what I can do now with this little app is I just press record, and I just told Codex, hey, I want to be able to record stuff, and I want you to tell me about what it is. I just press record, and then I just like play it. And then I'll be like, go take a look at it. And then explain to me what I'm doing. Like, what's the music theory behind it? I want to understand like what's the chord progression, and then what are the like influences or flavors in there. And then Codex just goes off. And I've done this before, so Codex is gonna know something about this. But like basically, it's just gonna go pull the save phrase, and the phrase is like, you know, written out here with all the time signatures and all the keys and like all that kind of stuff. Yeah, and it says you're doing A flat add 9 to A flat sus 2, basically a 4 to a 1 chord, which is really interesting. So like that makes me think like, oh, okay, in music theory, each chord is it has a position on the scale. So like this is a C scale. And so this is the first position, this is the second, this is the third, just going up the keyboard. And so you can make chords like that. So what this is telling me is this thing, which is really hard to understand, is when I really look at it, I'm like, okay, this is actually a G sharp chord. It says A flat and G sharp. If you're not familiar with music theory, it's the same thing. This is actually a G sharp chord. And what I notice is, okay, this looks like very complicated, but it's really just a G sharp chord like laid out across the keyboard. There's this, there's this, there's this, there's this. All the same chord. I'm just like kind of going up the keyboard. And that's a little technique now that I can be like, ooh, there's like something interesting there that I might want to do in maybe another key or at another moment or whatever. Like I just find myself noodling around more. Like, And I'm just like trying to find something that sounds good. And I may not find something that sounds good while we're recording, but what this does is now I have this whole universe of possibilities where I find something that I like, either like a song I like, or maybe I'm just like noodling around and I'm just like, I don't know, like maybe I like this. And I can just look at it and be like, okay, why do I like that? Hey, Codex, can you help me like figure that out? I start learning music theory because I think the danger of, and what a lot of music people will tell you, the danger of just like learning stuff you like is you don't know why it works. And so you can't, it doesn't generalize. But now I get to go from just like whatever I'm into learning it and then learning why it works. And then I can take that and apply it wherever I want. And Codex just like comes with me. Like I can literally have Codex, like there's this exercise on YouTube by this channel I love called Open Studio. And it's called Root Shell Pretty. I want you to like go open it up, watch it, and then explain to me how it works and then help me apply it. Literally Codex will just open this in Atlas and then like download it and look at it and then help me apply it to whatever I want. And it's like I have this master teacher who is just into all the same stuff I'm into. And I think that's like the coolest possible thing. It doesn't replace like having an actual music. Oh shit. Another time. It just keeps surprising me. It's like Codex is like just using my computer to watch this shit. I love Open Studio. They're the coolest. So it can like, it just helps you. It just helps me take all this stuff and like learn how it works. And for someone like me who just wants to like learn stuff that I'm into, it's the best thing in the world. It doesn't replace having an actual teacher, but I think if you're like just a curious person, this is the best time in the world to like learn anything. Just literally fire up Codex and ask it to help teach you or build an app or, you know, help you connect your piano or maybe record your guitar, or I don't know what you want to learn, but it's the best time in the world for that. And yeah, it's fucking sick. If you like this video, you should check out Every. Every is the only subscription you need to stay at the edge of AI.